Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we're going to actually be drawing a very cute Boba cup. We're going to start with the two circle eyes. We're going to do one on the left right here. And then moving over to the right, we're going to add a second circle for the right eye. Once you're done with those, we're just going to add in a highlight and a smaller one right below it on both sides. Then let's just fill in the naked space with black. Once you're finished with the eyes, we're going to add a little cute smile. And then two blush marks, and these are just going to be these oval shapes. Once your Boba's face is done, we're going to draw in the two sidelines. And they're going to be angled a little bit. We're going to match the other side. Then we're going to connect it with a curve on the bottom. And then for the top, we're going to go draw a line for the beginning of the cap. Then we're going to go up from these two lines a little higher. Then we're going to repeat the same line on top. Let's just connect the two. And before we draw the rest of the cap, we're going to draw in the Boba straw. We're just going to do a really big one, so we're going to do two lines on either side, like so. And then we're going to add a circle, or almost like an oval on the top, for the top of the Boba straw. And then let's draw in two lines for the straw detail. Once you're done with the straw details, let's just draw some foam by adding these lump marks. So there's like little cheese foam on top of the Boba. And then now we can finally finish the cap. So just finish the cap by adding the circle on top. And let's just draw in top of the lid's thickness, and maybe some more foam. Once you're done with that, we're just missing the Boba, so we're just gonna add in some Boba balls on the bottom, as many as you like. And each one of these balls, let's just add a little bit of a highlight. And then let's add some a cute little heart right here, because we all love Boba. Now let's add some color real quick. And there you have it, a cute Boba cup. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have suggestions for any other drawings, please leave in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one.